Mainit sa labas. It's 5:30 and 40 degrees. Somebody walking in the streets. Marami din tao mga lalabs. Pero humid. Walking.
Something happening here. More police here. What is this? Something?
Which one? Very nice da. Papasok na kami. Pamasok na.
You go out here, you go to that place there.
Which one?
Where they make the waves here.
Waves?
Pool. Yes.
Where?
Waves.
No man. I don't want to.
You check. They're going to make the waves.
Oh. This is for the kids, huh?
No, it's not for adults going there. I want to come here and try winter time.
How much that one, huh? It's very nice to take video. How much? Interest?
30 real or 50 real.
We try it.
Sure.
All after vacation we try it. After vacation we try.
I don't know.
Ang dami palang tao. Sino ka dihil? Too much.
All here.
Walang init sa kanila mga lalabs. Kahit mainit. Hala, pera. Labas pa rin kahit mainit. Pag mainit. Damada ko maglakad-lakad sa labas kasi pawisan ka. 5:33.
The streets.
Yeah. What's happening here?
Not a lot.
Ayan, taking pictures. So many people here in Bucks Park. We buy some corrupt tea.
No time.
So that's people here.
We go to that restaurant there in 974. We buy there.
Oh, may green pa dito. Green. Road trip na lang tayo. You take me video. Walking on outside. No. I don't want to go out. My photographer. No chance though. So no video. Just road trip. Road trip.
See how humid? Oh. Nothing fire. No benefit here.
Marami pa rin tao. Parking ng sasakyan. Dito lang yan sa Mina District, Qatar. So lang cruise ship dito darating. Kasi wala mga turista dito walang pumunta kasi sobrang init. Umuusok ang init dito mga lalabs. Kasi dito kami sa desyerto. Pati you remember that I show you the shower and the bowl.
Yeah, bucket here in the room.
Pati yung water ang
You
init.
have the bucket here in this room for water or what?
Yes, was for my hair. Because if not, it's too hot. So ngayon naglalagay na ako ng tubig sa bucket mga lalabs pag summer. Pag late na ako maliligo. Pag umaga naman, hindi pa mainit. Magandang ito pa yung migration na?
Yeah, for the ships.
For the cruise ship.
Port of entry.
Port of Entry.
The cruise ships.
Maraming tao. See, the people don't care about the hottest. The hot. Wala talagang pakialam mga tao dito kahit mainit. Wala, sige, lakad-lakad. Mga tao dito.
Have aquarium inside here.
So what happened? Huh?
Have aquarium inside.
We can get enter inside?
I don't know. I think so. I'm not sure.
Oh. Daming tao dito. Pumapasok. Tamang ano lang kami. Sa loob ng sasakyan ba? May busing na don't want to go out. I asked him to take me photos and videos. No chance. Okay, my boss. Swimming pool. Ganda. Ganda. Dito kami mga lalabs. Hangin. Uwi na kami. Sunset Kalas. Kalas. Sunset Kalas. Bumili lang kami ng karakti mga lalabs. Everybody. Pawisan ako, saglit lang sa labas, pawis. Ayaw kong lumabas kasi pawisan tapos punta sa loob ng sasakyan ang langit. Mas masakit yung likod ko. Yan ang problema pag summertime. Oh, may hana. You enjoy. Ito lang po ang ating video. friends, my salon viewers, subscribers, and sa lahat yung mga sumusubaybay sa aking mga videos. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone. I love you all.